Alright, guys. It is Thursday, June 1st, 2023 at 3:27 p.m. Alright, so it is the 1st of June, meaning that hurricane season starts today. Let's take a look quickly here at dailyverses.net for the verse of the day. It says, I am the living bread that came down from heaven. Whoever eats this bread will live forever. This bread is my flesh, which I will give for the life of the world. John 6:51. Alright, guys, let's start with the National Hurricane Center. We have a disturbance with 70% chance of cyclone formation in 48 hours in the northeastern Gulf of Mexico. Recent satellite wind data, along with the buoy and ship observations, indicate the area of low pressure over the northeastern Gulf of Mexico has a broad but well-defined circulation with maximum sustained winds of about 35 miles an hour. Shower and thunderstorm activity associated with the low is also showing signs of organization. Environmental conditions remain marginally favorable for additional development, and if these trends continue, a short-lived tropical depression or storm is likely to form as of this afternoon. This system is likely to meander over the northeastern Gulf of Mexico through tonight, but will slowly move southward motion on Friday. By this weekend, environmental conditions are forecast to become unfavorable for additional development as the system continues moving southward, likely remaining offshore over the Gulf of Mexico. An Air Force Reserve Hurricane Hunter aircraft is scheduled to investigate the system later this afternoon. Regardless of development, locally heavy rainfall can occur over the portions of the Florida Peninsula throughout this weekend. Additional information on the rainfall and flooding potential can be found in the local National Weather Service Forecast Office. Excessive rainfall outlooks issued by the Weather Prediction Center. Formation chance through 48 hours, high at 70%. And formation chance through 7 days, high at 70%. So we got this red X because it's at 70% chance formation. Let's take a look. As you see here, 70% chance formation in the Gulf. Alright, let's take a look. Here, you see the area where it's supposed to go down. And then start crossing over between Cuba and Florida. But the storm is at 70% chance formation. Let's take a look what it looks like right now. This is the GOES satellite showing the disturbance below the panhandle of Florida in the Gulf right here. Alright, let's take a look. This is the tracking for Invest 91L model track guidance. It's supposed to go down, then traverse between Cuba and the Florida coast, and then possibly go over into the Atlantic, over the Bahamas. We don't know if it's going to go over Florida, the tip of Florida, or if it's going to go a little bit further down and then traverse between Cuba and Florida. But they're saying it could start heading to the south and then traverse through there. Alright. Let's take a look. The Invest 91L model intensity guidance. Apparently, they're forecasting that it could stay below tropical storm strength, but some of the models are saying that it could actually reach tropical storm intensity. Alright, so let's keep an eye on that. And let's take a look now at the satellite image of it happening right now. This is the storm 91L below the panhandle of Florida. Could bring rain to Florida. So heads up for the panhandle. Alright. This is it over the Gulf. It looks like over the Gulf. And this is a bigger satellite image showing the Cuban region already getting rain, and the Bahamas as well already getting storms from this system just bringing all the rain. Alright guys, so heads up if you live heads up if you live in Cuba, the Bahamas, Florida, or the Gulf region, because we have this storm possibly developing. Alright, let's take a look at the name. If it does become a named storm, it would be named Arlene. This is the first day of hurricane season, and we already have the possibility of a storm developing. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Hit like and subscribe for more. Stay safe out there. Please pray for the people of Florida and the Panhandle. They don't need another storm passing by. Alright guys, that's it for this video. See you guys next time. God bless.